Class 10. Let us continue the chapter 26.2. Now, sum number 8. What is the question? Find the median of the tiffin allowance from the following table. Expenditure given for tiffin, the number of students given. So, expenditure here. So, let us write with the tabular form. Expenditure, obviously, it is given in rupees, and then number of students, that will be for frequency, and then cumulative frequency. Okay, that is cumulative frequency. Okay, now what if first, that is group frequency. Now see, 35 to 40, this is 3. Next 40 to 45, this is 5. Next 45 to 50, this is 6. 50 to 55, this is 9. 55 to 60, that is 7. 60 to 65, that is 8. And 65 to 70, that is 2. Okay, now let us find the same as before. At first, find it here. Sigma f at 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, 40. This is coming 40. Now cumulative frequency is same as before. First one is 3, then 5 plus 3 we will add. This is coming 8. 8 plus 6, it will be 14. 14 plus 10 is 24, so it is coming 23, then it is 30, then it is 38, then it is 40. Okay. Okay, now what is n here? Here n equals to, already I have said this we will consider as n. So n equals to 40, which is even. Same as before, which is even. So when it is even, so find out n by 2. N by 2 is what? 40 by 2 is 20. 40 by 2 is 20. So 20 means this class, because this is 14, that we cannot consider this, so we will consider this class, this one. So what is the class now? The corresponding class of this n by 2 value. N by 2 is for 20, so we cannot take 14. We have to take this 23. So these corresponding 23, the class is 45 to 50. So we will consider 45 to 50. No. This is the number 4, na? So writing is problem. Not written in order. 1, 2, this is 3. This is 4th one, I think. So right here 23. And then it is 30. Now it is okay. Yes. Okay, so corresponding class is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, corresponding class is 50 to 55. 50 to 55. Therefore, median class. Median class is 50 to 55. Okay, when median class is 50 to 55, that time we know L is the lower limit of the median class. Therefore, L equals to 50. L equals to 50. What is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency means 14. This we will consider. CF is 14. Only the preceding value of the cumulative frequency of the median class. Preceding value of cumulative frequency of the previous class. That means preceding value. So preceding value is 14. Normally it is 23. Its preceding value is 14. So we will consider CF as 14. And F means frequency. What is F? This frequency is 9. So F is equal to 9. And then what is left? H. H means the class size. 50 to 55. So upper limit 55, lower limit 50. So 55 minus 50, that gives us 5. So class length is only 5. Then what is median? Therefore, median. We will calculate now. Median equals to L plus, formula is what? L plus n by 2 minus CF whole divided by F into H. Okay. So what is L? L we know, that is 50, plus n by 2 means what? N by 2 is 20. So write here 20, minus CF is what? 14. So write here 14. By F is what? F is 9. Okay. Into H is what? H is 5. So 20 minus 14 is 6. So 6 5s are 30 by 9. So 50 plus 30 by 9. 50 plus 30 by 9. 30 by 9 means 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are. So we can write 50 plus 10 by 3. 150 plus 10. It is coming 160 by 3. So it is in decimal. 53.33 approximate value. So this is not approximate correct value. 53.33. That is the answer. 53.33. I think now it's clear to you. Okay. Now let me rub the board for this next sum. Next is sum number 10. I will try to complete the chapter through videos. Let's see. Sum number 10 now. Sum number 10. Find the median of the following frequency distribution table. Class same as before. So just write the class first. Class given, frequency given, cumulative frequency. Okay, so write here class. What is class interval? Class here, frequency here, and then cumulative frequency. What is the class here? First class is 0 to 10. That frequency is 4. Next is 10 to 20. Frequency is 7. Next is 20 to 30. Frequency is 10. And next is 30 to 40. Frequency is 15. Next is 40 to 50. Frequency is 10. Next 50 to 60 is 8. Now 60 to 70 is 5. Okay. Now what is cumulative frequency? That is 4. And next again we have to add this 7 plus 4, that is coming 11. 11 plus 10, 21. 21 plus 15, that is 36. 36 plus 10, 46. 46 plus 8, 54. And 54 plus 5, that is 59. Add this, see whether 59 is coming or not. Yes, 59. So this is n. Okay, so n by 2 same as before. N by 2 equals to what? 59 by 2. 59 by 2, that gives us 29.5. 29.5 means, so 29.21 we cannot consider. So 29.5 we have to calculate from here. So 36, so we will take this range. Okay, so median class is 30 to 40. Therefore, median class. 30 to 40. Okay. Now what is L here? L is 30. Same as before. L is 30. Cumulative frequency is 21. This preceding value we will calculate. CF is 21. F is frequency of the median class, that is 15. And H. What is H? Upper limit minus lower limit. Obviously 10. 40 minus 30, that gives us 10. Now put the value. So median is median. Let's put the value. L means 30 plus n by 2. N by 2 means 29.5 minus 29.5 minus CF. CF means 21. So 29.5 minus 21 divided by F. F means the frequency, that is 50, into H. H means 10. So 30 plus 29.5 minus 21 is 8.5. So right here 8.5 into 10 divided by 15. So 30 plus it is coming 85. 85 by 15. So 85 by 15 we can um, 17. No? So it is coming 30 plus 17 by 3. 17 by 3 separately you can do, then you can add to 30, or you can do this LCM. So it is a 90 plus 17 by 3. So 107, not 107, 107 by 3, that gives us 35.66 approximate value. This is the answer for sum number 10. Okay, next sum coming with new video.